Here I've got Apple iPhone 11 Pro Max, and let me show you how to reset settings on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's open the settings. Now scroll down, find and pick General. Then go to the very bottom of the list and click on Reset. From the following options, you have to select the one that is on the top, which is Reset All Settings. And if you truly want to reset all settings, yet no media or data will be deleted, click on Reset All Settings. And now confirm that you want to do it, because this operation cannot be undone, so you just have to be 100% sure that you want to reset all settings, and if you are, click on Reset All Settings. And now just wait a couple of seconds until it's done. And that's it. As you can see now, you can set up your device from the beginning, as all the settings have been reset. Congrats! Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.